Is your Facebook account secured? In this video, we'll be learning 2 ways you can secure your Facebook account if you haven't already. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. On your Facebook profile, click on the 3 lines at the top right hand corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. From your settings, you should be able to locate Security and Login. Click on Security and Login. The first way you should secure your Facebook account is through the two-factor authentication. Use two-factor authentication to secure your Facebook account. If there's any attempted login from an unrecognized device or browser, you will be notified. So let's check this two-factor authentication. Select a security method. You can use an app like Google for the first option. If you are going for this, make sure you select it and click continue. When you are going for this, you will have to scan this code you are seeing here on the same device you are using as the third-party authenticator. Select continue. By now, a 6-digit code will be sent to the app. Make sure you enter it here and select continue. You can also go for text messaging through SMS. Select it here and click continue. Enter the phone number you want to use for this purpose and confirm. You can also use a physical security key to help protect your Facebook account. If you are going for this, select it here and click continue. Here you will have to register a security key for this purpose. If you are going for a security key, you will have to register it. Now let me quickly show you another way you can secure your Facebook account. Still under security and login, you can see where you are logged in. These are devices and location where you are logged into your Facebook account and your Facebook Messenger. Select See All. When you click on See All, you will be able to see all the devices you've been logged into as well as the location. If there's any device you cannot recognize here or the location, that means this is not you. If you cannot recognize any of these devices or the location with their timing, then this is not you. Select the 3 dots next to the location and log out. Facebook can also help you to secure your account. Select Secure Account. If you notice any of these devices, location and time are not familiar, select the 3 dots next to them and log out. You can also secure your account. Facebook will help you to do that. These are the 2 ways you can secure your Facebook account. You have to do your two-factor authentication and make sure that all the devices that are logged into your Facebook account are familiar to you. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.